You know that feeling, right? When you're in a group project and it just works.
Oh, yeah, when everything clicks, it's
Mm,
great.
Ideas are flowing, everyone's pulling their weight. Collaborative learning, it can be fantastic.
Absolutely, but then there's the other side.
Exactly, especially online collaborative learning, OCL we call it sometimes. We've all been there.
Uh-huh. The scheduling nightmares, the endless emails.
Right. Trying to communicate clearly, coordinate everything when you're, not even in the same room. It can be such a headache.
Definitely.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Because if AI, artificial intelligence, could actually help us deal with all that complexity in group work, especially remote group work, well, that would be huge, wouldn't it?
A massive leap forward for learners everywhere, yeah.
So today we're doing a deep dive into how AI might just be the game changer for something called socially shared regulation of learning, SSRL.
SSRL. It sounds technical, but it's basically how groups manage their own learning together.
From setting goals all the way to actually creating knowledge as a team.
Precisely. And our insights today, they come from this really interesting study. It was published in Education and Information Technologies just recently, 2025. Kim and colleagues.
And what's cool is this isn't just theory, right? They actually asked students.
Exactly. Real student perceptions of AI in this role. We're hearing directly from them, not just researchers guessing what might work.
That makes a big difference.
It really does. And what's fascinating is how students are already seeing AI as, well, more than just a tool, not just something passive.
How so?
They kind of envision it as an active participant, almost like another person in the group, helping them learn.
Wow, okay. An active participant.
Yeah. And the study breaks down how AI could support this SSRL across three main phases of learning.
3 phases, right. So where does AI jump in first? What's phase 1?
It starts with forethought. That's basically the planning stage before you really dive into the task.
Okay, planning. Makes sense.
And students imagine AI offering, well, incredible support here. On the cognitive side, think about AI activating what you already know, helping you brainstorm ideas or even, like, checking for knowledge gaps with quick quizzes.
Like a smart study buddy built in.
Exactly. And then there's metacognitive support, helping the group actually formulate clear goals, figure out task strategies. Maybe AI could even look at how the group worked before and suggest better ways to manage tasks this time.
An AI planner that learns your group's style. Interesting.
Right. And maybe the most surprising part was the motivational support. Students thought AI companions or tutors could help them see why the task matters. Maybe help quieter students overcome shyness.
Get everyone involved.
Yeah, and even project potential learning growth to keep the group motivated. Imagine AI kind of gently nudging everyone forward right from the start.
Okay, that's the planning, but then you get into the thick of it, right? The performance phase when the group's actually doing the work. How does AI fit in there according to the students?
Yeah, this is where it gets really active. During performance, students saw AI giving crucial cognitive support, like clarifying things if the group gets stuck, helping apply strategies, maybe even generating solutions together in, say, an AI simulator or some kind of virtual lab.
So helping with the actual doing and understanding.
Exactly. And then metacognitive support during performance. AI could monitor how the group's doing in real time. Are they on track? Do they need to adjust their strategy?
Like a dashboard showing progress.
Big interactive dashboards, yeah. Showing group progress, maybe highlighting bottlenecks, using behavioral data, helping the group steer itself.
And motivation during this phase. It can be tough to keep momentum.
For sure. And students saw AI helping there too.
Yep.
For motivational support, AI could, celebrate small wins, use gamification to make things more engaging.
Little rewards, maybe.
Could be. And even analyze how the group is communicating the discourse patterns to help improve social interaction, build confidence, keep everyone feeling positive, almost like a virtual teen coach and cheerleader combined.
Coach and cheerleader. I like that. Okay, so planning, doing. What's the third phase?
The third phase is reflection, looking back after the work is done, which is, super important for learning.
Often skipped, though.
Too often, yeah.
Yeah.
So here for cognitive support, students saw AI helping evaluate the learning outcomes, the group's performance, but also prompting deeper reflection. Not just, well, what grade did we get?
Yeah.
But why did things work out the way they did?
Getting to the learning behind the grade.
Exactly. And for metacognitive support in reflection, AI could analyze the whole process. How did we actually tackle this task? And encourage thinking about how to improve next time. almost like an AI tool that reads your group's reflection notes and pulls out key themes for growth.
That's pretty
It
sophisticated.
is. But maybe the most striking thing for reflection was the motivational aspect again. Students specifically mentioned conversational AI agents.
Like chatbots, but smarter.
Yeah, AI companions or tutors that could actually empathize, encourage, maybe even gently persuade the group to honestly evaluate how they work together, foster satisfaction,
Right.
and build a positive attitude for the future. They want an AI that doesn't just analyze, but kind of cares.
Wow, an AI that cares. That's
Yeah.
quite a vision.
Isn't it?
So we've walked through how students see AI supporting every stage: planning, doing, reflecting. But you mentioned it's not just about AI doing things, it's about what AI needs to know,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. That came through really strongly. To be this valuable partner, students feel AI needs a deep understanding of, well, of learning itself.
And this connects to an existing idea in education.
It aligns surprisingly well with the TPAC framework, technological pedagogical content knowledge.
TPAC-BJ. Okay, break that down for us.
So PPAC is this idea that effective teaching with technology requires blending three core types of knowledge. Students are essentially saying AI needs this blend too. It needs a pedagogical grounding, a kind of wise brain about learning.
A wise brain. I like that. So what are the core components of this wise brain students think AI needs?
Well, they pointed to the foundational areas first. Number one, pedagogical knowledge, PK. This is the how people learn part,
The art of teaching.
basically, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
AI needs to understand different learning strategies, personalization, how to assess learning beyond just multiple choice tests. They even mentioned things like classroom management, handling off-task behavior or conflicts, even in online groups.
That's asking a lot of an AI.
It is. Then number two, content knowledge, CK. Subject matter expertise, but not just facts.
Deeper understanding.
Deep, flexible understanding. AI needs to grasp nuances, address misconceptions, understand how experts in a field actually think, how a historian's approach differs from a scientist's,
Yeah,
and connect it all to the real world.
make it relevant. Got it. And the third core area.
Technological knowledge, TK. This is AI understanding itself, its own strengths, its limits, and understanding other edtech tools too. Students even suggested AI should be able to troubleshoot basic tech issues for them.
AI, my software crashed.
Kind of. Like, AI needs some self-awareness about its own tech capabilities and how it fits into the broader tech landscape.
Okay, so pedagogical, content, and technological knowledge. But you said TPAC is about blending these. Where do the intersections come in?
Right? This is where it gets really powerful, where the magic happens. Students highlighted these crucial overlaps. First, pedagogical content knowledge, PCK.
Teaching know-how applied to a specific subject.
Exactly. This is AI acting like a really skilled tutor. It doesn't just know you got the math problem wrong. It understands why students typically struggle with this specific concept and can offer targeted feedback or a different explanation that guides higher-level thinking in that subject.
Tailored teaching.
Precisely. Then there's technological pedagogical knowledge, TPK. This is about AI being smart about how it uses technology to teach.
So not just using tech, but using it wisely for learning.
Yes. Knowing when, say, giving a direct answer helps versus when it might hinder learning. Knowing how to use its tech features to guide you towards discovery instead of just feeding you information. It's about leveraging tech for specific teaching approaches and avoiding the pitfalls like over-reliance.
Okay.
And the third intersection.
Technological content knowledge, TCK. This is AI using its tech capabilities to make the subject matter clearer, more accessible.
How so?
Examples.
Think interactive simulations that let you manipulate variables in physics or virtual labs for biology. Using the tech to create experiences that help you understand complex, subject-specific ideas in a deep way. It's matching the right tech to the right content.
Right, using tech's unique strengths for specific subjects. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So we have the core knowledge areas, the overlaps.
Mm-hmm.
What about the whole picture, the full TPAC synthesis? What's the ultimate student dream here?
The ultimate vision, the full TPAC, is for AI to seamlessly weave it all together. To design learning experiences, maybe even entire lessons that combine the subject matter, the best teaching approaches, and the right technology, all personalized for the learner.
Truly integrated learning design.
Yes. And crucially, students expect AI to understand where its strengths lie and where human teachers excel. They see it as a synergy.
Not AI replacing teachers.
Definitely not. It's about AI and humans working together, complementing each other's strengths. A partnership, really, not AI operating solo.
That partnership idea is really powerful. It really shifts how we might think about AI in education, doesn't it?
It absolutely does.
Yeah.
The study makes it clear. Students aren't just seeing AI as a fancy calculator or search engine. They see it as an active learning agent, even a potential co-creator of knowledge.
Wow, co-creator. That's a big step up from tool.
It is, and it means we need to shift our perspective too. Move away from just thinking about the tool itself and focus more on designing the human-AI collaboration. How do we interact effectively?
So it becomes about interaction design as much as AI capability.
Exactly. And the study calls for real collaboration to make this happen. Instructors, learners, policymakers, everyone needs to be talking to AI developers.
An investment too, presumably.
For sure. Universities, governments, they need to support this, develop ethical guidelines, provide resources. It's a systemic shift.
What a fascinating deep dive today. We've really explored this student vision for AI supporting every single part of online group work, from the initial plan to the final reflection.
And not just doing tasks, but having this deep, integrated understanding, the TPAC of teaching, content, and technology. It's about wisdom, not just processing power.
So, thinking about this, what really stands out to you listening? Imagine having an AI partner in your next group project that doesn't just schedule meetings, but actually understands how you learn and helps you tackle those tricky concepts together.
It changes the game.
It really does. And maybe as AI becomes this active participant, the real deep dive we need to take isn't just into our subjects, but into how this partnership between our own human curiosity and artificial intelligence is evolving.
A partnership to watch, definitely.